Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Sorry about the music in the background, and also sorry about the fact that I may lose my voice throughout this this video, but I didn't have a voice yesterday and I've got it back today, and I'm probably gonna lose it again because I'm about to go to a music festival. I'm at Michelle's house. We are in Michelle's. Here she is. I've started my vlog, Michelle.
What?
I've started my vlog. She's looking very fly.
Oh, in my messy bedroom.
Never seen my room, trust me. Welcome to the mess that I call my room.
We're twinning, look.
We are. We're like, okay, so we're going with
Look at this, I have to do this all day.
we look probably like, it's like a mix of like country, like hillbilly slash street.
I'm excited.
So we're twinning in Ivy Park.
Yes.
This is Project Steph attempting to be cool.
You are cool. Project Michelle trying to be young.
We're going to, we're going to music festival. Get our stuff together. Get our shit together.
Get our shit together and get to the festival. We're late.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Boom.
Boom.
It's like just shadows.
Oh.
This is my Baywatch run. Baywatch running.
Just highlighting my legs. Don't mind me.
Get that glow.
This is literally
That's a good idea. First
Yeah.
thing of the day, Band-Aids, Red Bull.
Sugar. You always like pointed at my great chest because I'm a little bit taller than you.
Oh yeah. Hey. I'm very impressed with how brown my legs look with my white shoes. Michelle was kind enough to give me some shoes.
If your butt is coming out, clap your hands.
We just made up a song, everyone, and we'll give you a serenade soon.
Oh yeah.
If you're feeling really moist, clap your hands.
Because it's really warm outside, by the way.
Only
if
reason.
You're feeling really moist, and you do not have a choice. Clap your hands.
This will be only relevant to the weather until we get to the festival.
Not like
this really attractive man.
You did an Instagram story. Did you really walk at all?
Michelle's job for the day, she needs to have a pants dance choreographed by the end of the day.
Challenge accepted. My pants are like for sure falling down though.
The pants dance. The moment you realize that a pickle is actually a cucumber.
I wasn't ready. Why do they not talk about this in school?
Okay, life update everyone. My battery is about to die, so we've just gotten to the festival. This is a great start for me. I also just realized that I haven't even shown you guys what I'm wearing today. We're actually here with Culture Kings, so we're like looking very Culture Kingy. Ivy Park, we're repping Ivy Park today.
Okay, and then we have the shorts.
And then we have some shorts, we got some knives, courtesy of Michelle.
Some Culture Kings.
Yeah.
You look very, what's that lip color? What's the lip color? You look pretty cute.
The colour is Sanctuary by Kat Von D.
It's amazing on you, I love it.
I can't even hear anything that's being said in these. These drinks are what I used to drink when I was like too young to be drinking, and they just taste to me. Stop vlogging me vlogging. Oh, my camera's just made out. So yeah, we're waiting for Vance Joy. Vance Joy is like a mixture of Jamie from Outlander and my boyfriend Josh. So Josh, as Michelle likes to call him. So he is just my future husband, I've decided, and my ovaries, they're getting ready.
We saw him at Splendor, he was really good.
I died.
His album came out yesterday.
What?
New one? Yeah.
Is he gonna sing new songs I don't know?
Both. I'm 16.
Yay! Are you ready for the most relatable festival clip ever? Look at my nose. What makeup? So, do you know the phrase, if you didn't Instagram it, it didn't happen? Well, something just happened and it did happen. What happened, Michelle?
We were on stage for the avalanches. We actually got to watch the entire performance from on stage.
It was amazing.
Super cool.
We got to go stand backstage and
amongst
like,
the smoke.
Amongst the smoke. But we weren't allowed to film anything, and we weren't allowed to like even have our phones out. So yeah, but it happened.
I
felt really weird not being able to like Instagram anything.
Yeah, because you're like so used to it, right?
Quote Michelle, do you want to picture me? Do you want to get a picture of me frolicking? Yes. Yes, I do. Look at that frolic. Strong. Join me in our video.
Video?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam.
I'm here at Sydney School with my friends. Having a great day.
We're on a new level. This is how we sing here.
I'm sexually confused.
I'm very sexually confused.
I'm definitely 5% gay. She's amazing.
I feel like I'm maybe 10% gay. She's amazing. Hey guys, I've learnt a few lessons today. The day is over and I have learnt, first of all, bring band-aids and actually put band-aids on your feet every time you're wearing shoes without socks. This is not a fun time. Second lesson of the day, don't wear lipstick to a festival. Third lesson, feed the cat. I love Muna. Fourth lesson, probably like, don't go out and party if you don't have a voice already because it's going to disappear again. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Today was so much fun. Michelle is in the shower right now, showering in the cold water. We were all questioning our sexual preferences after watching Tash Sultana, and we're about to order lots and lots and lots of Guzman and Gomez, which is Mexican food, and probably charge my phone because it's very, very dead. So yeah, hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry about my voice once again, and I will see you guys again very, very soon with another video. If you want to see more vlogs like this, do let me know. I feel like this was a very relatable vlog. I kind of like didn't hold myself back in this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Bye.
You people are watching you.
The name's Gomez.
See?
Guzman. Gomez.
My name's Gomez.